In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can dropshipping make you a millionaire? The answer is yes, and I'm proof. As usual, if you love this content, hit subscribe, hit like, show the algorithm that you want to see more of this. But let's jump into the story. So again, the answer is yes, and I'm proof. 7 years ago, I was a forklift driver at a Walmart distribution center, and today I've exited multiple dropshipping businesses, including one that was a personal 7-figure victory. But first, I'm not that guru that's running Facebook ads and looking for the next hot product, so if that's what you're looking for, you're watching the wrong video. I operate and teach high-ticket dropshipping businesses.
But Ben, if you're making 7 figures doing this, why are you teaching it?
It's simple. E-commerce changed my life. As my friend Scott DeMoulin said to me once at a mastermind, Ben, you went from forklift to you money. I couldn't imagine being where I am right now a decade ago in my life. I hated going to work every day and being $40,000 in consumer debt and living paycheck to paycheck and just skating by. E-commerce showed me there's a new way, and I want that for every single person watching this video. There's more than enough for everyone to get theirs. You winning doesn't mean I'm losing. That's why I teach this stuff. We can all win. The world is abundant. And let me tell you one more story. When I was 25, my mom passed away unexpectedly. At her visitation, the whole family stands up at the front, and everybody kind of comes by and says their condolences and goes and views the body. At least that's how we do it here in America, for the most part. As I'm standing up front, people are coming by, and I'm standing next to my dad, and I'm kind of nudging him. Hey, Dad, who's that? Hey, Dad, who's that? He's like, oh, that's your second Uncle Jimbo, twice removed, right? He's telling me who all these people are. But shortly into this process, there is dozens of people that I'm nudging my dad, and neither one of us know who these people are. A lot of them were younger folks. And as some of these folks started coming up, they said, hey, I worked for your mom. My mom was a manager at a Walmart store. And they said, your mom's the first person to ever see me. She saw what others didn't see in me. And that hit me hard. At 25, number one, I was the person judging other people. And number two, because I was also the person with unrecognized potential. No one ever saw me either. And I know there's someone watching this video who needs to be seen too. And that's why I teach this shit. I see you, and I want to help you. E-commerce changed my life, and I want desperately for it to change your life too, if that's the direction you want to go. So yes, dropshipping can make you a millionaire, but only if you start. John and I have a bunch of other videos on this channel. We have a free podcast, we have a paid podcast, literally giving away this business model, so you have no excuses not to become your own dropshipping millionaire. Just get started today.